Let's look at a similar problem. This is a problem about combining 3D shapes, so let's solve it together. Core concept: combining 3D shapes. Helpful steps and things to remember. First, visualize how shapes fit together. Second, count the faces of the combined shape. Imagine the shape. Imagine you have two shoeboxes. Each shoebox is a rectangular prism. Place one shoebox directly on top of the other one. Faces of one shoebox. Each shoebox has 6 faces. These are the top, bottom, front, back, left, and right sides. So for 2 shoeboxes, we have 6 plus 6 equals 12 faces in total. Combining the shoeboxes. When we stack the shoeboxes, the top of the bottom shoebox is hidden, and the bottom of the top shoebox is also hidden. So we have 2 hidden faces in total. Let's calculate the final number of faces. We started with 12 faces. We hid 2 faces. So 12 minus 2 equals 10 faces remain visible. Today we learned how to visualize combining 3D shapes, how to count faces of combined shapes, how to determine hidden faces when shapes are combined. Remember, when combining 3D shapes, some faces become hidden where the shapes meet. Great job! You have finished this part.